So how do you sync the iPhone with the iPad contacts? Let's get started. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, become part of the community by subscribing and you're not going to miss anything important. So you need to make sure that you are signed in with the very same Apple ID on both your iPad and iPhone. That's like a prerequisite. And then since you are inside of the settings and the profile section already, inside of the iCloud, most definitely make sure that contacts are enabled and synced on both devices. So you need to have the green toggle there. And it just means that every contact which you add and set up on the iPad will be moved to the iPhone as well, and the other way around too. So, you make sure that all of the contacts are synced. On the other hand, you might not be having or accessing contacts just through the Apple account. So if you are signed in with a different, for example, Google account for your contacts on the iPad, you need to add the same one to the iPhone too. So in your settings app, inside like the bottom section for apps, locate the contacts menu and tap on the accounts at the top of the list. And you need to make sure that, of course, you added the account, which is also added on the iPad. So as you can see, you're not limited to Apple only, and you have more providers. Like, as I mentioned, you might just want to sign in with Google accounts or Microsoft or all of the other ones, where as well you might have some contacts there. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to set it up and sync the contacts. Subscribe for upcoming tutorials and quick guides like this one, which are going to help you out. Stay tuned and I'll see you later.